again, post-pandemic, or actually during the pandemic, there was an opportunity to make some changes. And I feel that sometimes when those opportunities happen and saying, okay, I have some time here, the things are not rolling at 100 miles an hour, what would benefit these students in a way where they can concentrate on one thing? And it sounds counterintuitive, but seeing that they would have two competencies on the same day, and some of them have many times they didn't have anything to do with each other. They were completely different. And yes, teachers try to work together and not give too much work for students in the morning so that the afternoon can be, but at times that doesn't always play out. And our learners to be able to concentrate on one competency at a time, to know the start date and the end date of that competency with the same teacher. Now, you had to get the teachers to agree. Sometimes those are long days. But again, it gives you more flexibility. Because when we talked about our learners that might work at a faster pace, well, maybe by this time, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, they're pretty much they're there. They're there where you want them to be. They could either become peer mentors in your class, or you can let them go, and you can start concentrating on the ones that are struggling a bit more. I think that gives so much more flexibility. And as a teacher, you have an end, which is obviously your evaluation, but now you can work backwards, you and the students, in an intimate way, and not be distracted by another competency that's happening. And I feel that the teachers would not go back now to that, even though I truly understand that 6-hour teaching days is very, very difficult. But I do think it benefits the students.